Hey buddy, got you up and going here. Like I said, B plus to come off on the transformers, caused an imbalance. Fixed that, built up the B plus strip, went ahead and redid your combiner, checked everything, make sure it's tuned to balance, good to go. We'll start out with straight through SWR, as we always do. Worldwide, straight through SWR. Turn it on, input SWR, worldwide, and here's your radio drive. This is just 30 watt drive. Hello, worldwide. We'll turn on the driver, little 2-pill, 2500 watt PEP, driven. Hello, audio, worldwide. Close one to go 14 on the bird. On the LP, hello, 1, 2, let it calm down. Worldwide. Hello, 15 some change. Hello, audio. 550 bird. There's your input tune driven. Hello, audio. She's good to go, man. 1, 2. Audio. Hello. 1, 2. No resistor getting hot or not. She's good to go, man. There you go, bud. Just want to do a little video show you she's working. Appreciate it. Your friend at 10-0-1-8. Beavis. I'll catch you later on.